Team Motivation. It's your boy MB in the place to be. Now, as y'all can see today, we having a snowstormy day today, like a snowstorm day. So what we gonna do is hang out with your boy today. You gonna hang out with your boy MB. We're not going to the shop. There's no need to go up there. Like I said, we don't have the heat up there yet, and it's super cold up there until we get the heat in there. We're gonna be doing little ins and outs as the weather change, but today we're gonna just hang out with me and hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me. I'm gonna show you guys a few things and show you what I'm working on for the future and work and everything. So come on, hang out with your boy today and be in the place to be. Team Motivation. What I'm gonna do is build my first Raspberry Pi automotive display. So I will show you guys. I don't know if you guys know, I put it in this case now. I put it in this case. So yeah, we ready to have fun with this thing, man. So like I said, y'all, we're gonna combine all this together, man. We're gonna combine this together. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. This is part one of this. I'm just getting my thoughts together, y'all. Now y'all gotta bear with me now. Like I said, I'm just freestyling. I'm gonna freestyle it. All right, catch you on the next one. All right, we not quite done yet. We not quite done. We still got some more to do. This is it's gonna be a little more taller too. So like I said, we just getting it together right now. You guys probably like, what is that? It's gonna look like. You guys will see in a minute. You guys will see in a minute. Look what happened, man. Broke the blade, man. Damn. Not quite done, but still got some more to do. We gonna smooth them edges out. You know, it's gonna get fiberglass. It's gonna get painted. We're gonna go candy paint on that. We're gonna have LED lights. It's gonna look good, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Gonna start mounting the amps up there. I'm gonna do an amp rack on that too. I'm gonna do a nice little amp rack. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna have a computer on there. Have a couple of flip downs on each side. TV to flip down from right there. It's gonna be a computer you're gonna see. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. This the top part. That's the bottom part. Little game in there. The Raspberry Pi with the computer and 2 flip down monitors. Your radio is gonna be over there. The tablet. See the Raspberry Pi going there. Your 8 inches are going there. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. You too. Like I said, we gotta do a lot more to it. Once we put in fiberglass mode and get everything locked in. Like I said, put the second piece on there. With a third piece. 1, 2, 3. It's a 3-piece. If you guys can see it. But it's a 3-piece. Kind of like an arcade game, though. Alright, you two, catch y'all on the next one. Can't wait till I finish it off. So hopefully the snow will be down by tomorrow, and I can go grab some. But I got more videos to show you guys, and the giveaway is gonna be that projector screen. So I will be giving that away. So on this video, well, we'll do it for the next video, not this video. Next video, we'll be giving it away. So I'll be posting all night. You guys stay tuned. Peace and love. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Oh yeah.